The broadcast is now starting.
Welcome
All
everyone to
attendees
the
are in
Global
listen-only mode.
Associate meeting, and we are in Mauritius. Let's see our very dearest Pakistani team. Do you enjoy Mauritius?
Yes! Wonderful, amazing.
Mauritius?
Yes!
Yes. You had a good time?
Yes! Great time with Leo.
So what do they have to do?
They have to qualify for the next event.
Yes, you have to be in the 2019 Global Annual Conference.
Yes! Join us in the next conference.
We have a golden ticket.
Okay.
And we have a 5,000 RP golden ticket.
So who didn't attend this event, they missed a great opportunity, and next time try to hard to get next Global Annual Conference.
Yeah, over to Wendy.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. Now let me show you the beautiful Mauritius. Can you see there's a very, very nice pool, and then there's a sea over there, and there's our bar. We are enjoying ourselves. And let me show you the event hall. The event hall, we had the meeting today. Say hi to our global members.
Formidable.
Yes, thank you. So we have so many happy members here. Say hello. Oh, we had a conference here just now, earlier today, and we have announced many important news and updates for everyone. And then we have our Chinese team over here. 打招呼啊！然后呢，我们呢还 and then we have a bar here. We have all the free flow drinkings, and we have an amazing time. So we had a few parties in Mauritius, and let me ask you to say hi. Can you say hi to our global members?
Hey, hello. Hi, everybody. We're having an amazing event here. So happy that you can join us via the webinar. We've just finished the conference. We're hot like you wouldn't believe. The lights were on, the heat is out, but Mauritius has been one of the most amazing events we've ever done. I wish you all could have been here. I'm missing you all terribly much. But don't fret, don't be afraid. There's more events to come, there's more business to build. We've turned a corner here in Mauritius. We've turned a corner in the last few months. The world is our opportunity now. The world is for Leo to take. The world is yours to take. So, I won't stay much longer than that. I've been speaking for about 4 or 5 hours, it feels like today. I'm losing my voice, I'm exhausted, but thanks so much for joining the webinar. Wendy's got loads to tell you about, I'm sure. And we were always, as ever, delighted to be joined by Paul Southworth.
It's been great to be here with the Leo family once again. And what I've been so amazed about is the sheer positiveness of every single member that has shared this experience with us. They're in great form. They've loved what they've heard from the company. They are excited about the future, just as we are excited about the future. And I hope you make a commitment that you won't miss out next year and that you'll come and join us in this wonderful Leo family.
Thank you for thanking me here. So let me show you the rest of the resort over there and the updates that we have for the webinar. So they're having a very nice time chilling at the bar, and now we have some board games, and we had karaoke, and we have different things that are happening today. So let me find a quiet spot that I can give you the updates. Okay, there we go. There's more like that. I'm bringing to the reception. There's a very pretty sea view over there. So our rooms are looking at the sea, and then we're enjoying Mauritius. So our members are doing scuba diving. They are doing the trapeze and a little different sport games, the archery, etc. And then they are enjoying our parties, the Leo parties we set up for them. And you can see like everywhere in the resort is Leo branded. And we're having an amazing time here with the Leo family. Okay. We are in the reception. almost. Like agendas here. We have our agendas, and we have the most welcomed staff to welcome you, flew all the way to Mauritius to enjoy our holiday and party, to celebrate the hard work that we have done in 2017. So, you wanna say hi to our global members?
Hello, hi, greetings from Mauritius.
Bonjour.
Thank you.
C'est qui?
Yes.
It's who?
Yes. Let me show you the entrance of the villa.
Hello.
No, not the villa.
Hello.
The hotel.
Hi.
So that's Terry and
Yes, and
Omar
Hannah.
from our Leo corporate.
La crème de la crème.
See, that's how amazing our arrangement for our Leo family. So you have to be here next time. It's all everywhere. It's just Leo branded, and it's just amazing. Everyone is having a very, very good time here. So let me turn off the camera, and I will show you some updates. So let us go back to the slides. First, we have some recognitions. We have Mauritius updates. I will give you some pictures of them, and then we have the digital market service and some new upcoming events. So our latest new director is from our European country, and they will get a Rolex award which is cost like value of £5,000, or an office award. And then the very congratulations, because director rank is not an easy rank to achieve, and it is very important rank in our company, because it is a start of big leadership that takes up responsibilities and protecting the members and protecting the Leo business, which is a very important rank. And next we have to congratulate our newest regional marketing director, Mohammed Yassin. And I was so honored to congratulate him face to face in Mauritius. That's and his delegation to the Leo business is really honorable. So congratulations. So next we have. I was very lucky and honored for me to say congratulations to Leo Card face to face as our Leo fourth global marketing director, and he deserved that a lot, because he have been through and stand by the company and stand by the members to help our members to build their business and protect the company and the members' interests. His loyalty, his delegation, and his consistency is amazing. We respect him very much. And the Pakistani team has been celebrating with him with kicks and kicks and pictures and loads of pictures, and they have been having parties with Learcat and show them how they love him and love the company. So congratulations, Learcat. Thank you so much. I'm so honored to know you. So let me update you what we have done so far. The holiday just started. So this is the welcome day, the arrival day that our members travel all around the world to Mauritius to attend our party. So here's the entrance with all the different brandings and Leo and banners and happy welcome staff, and everyone was so excited to enjoy the holiday. And then we have a Floricians party, and you can see everyone is dressed up, and we have been dancing, we have been partying, and our Chinese members, our Pakistani members, our French members, our Guadeloupe members, our corporate staff, and the club, our resort club staff are really, really happy and cheerful to make everything to happen. So thank you so much, and I hope everyone have a good time. And we really had a good time, great time. And next week, on the second day, we have another carnival party. Of course, we didn't just have party. We spent so much. We have an opportunity to meet our Leo family all over the world and had a amazing beach party. And we have been dancing and we've been singing and we have been enjoying ourselves and celebrating because in 2017 every one of us have been working so hard and we deserve a very good holiday, and they are really happy and excited. And you can see how of course we beside our celebration we have been setting awards recognizing the leaders who have been working extraordinary hard in 2017. Let us go through them now. So we have the Fast Start Award from Turkey for this European member. He was inspired by Dan in the last tour, and he reached senior associate within 16 days. It was amazing. Congratulations. And we have another member, Andre, came from Gold Loop, and he got a special achievement award. So besides the trophy that they got, our company also recognized them and give them a very nice limited edition Leo Gold 24 karat gold coin, the first ever edition. There's only 50 of them in the world, and this is a very amazing, and we show our appreciation for their hard work and loyalty. Also, we have the best trainer award for Stone in Canada. Although he lived in Canada, but he's building his business in China and doing a lot of duplication trainings and helping the members and leaders how to build their Leo business and how can we help the merchants over in the world, how he can help the SME in different countries to make their business. Especially, for example, we have Canadian ice wine in Canada, and we have lobster in Canada, and we are our Chinese member who have Leo coin in China. They can send the Leo coins to our Canadian member, and the lobster and ice wine will be delivered to China, which is amazing because they don't even have to convert into fiat to purchase the products. So, which is what we are trying to do is we want to help SMEs to solve the long waiting time for the cash in and cash out. So it was amazing work, and we will have more trainings with Stone in 2018 and 19 in the future. So, and another person is our marketing director from China, but unfortunately his mother was while he was going to Mauritius, his mother was ill and was sent to the hospital, so he had to stay in Dubai to stay with his family. So he have to and of course he's in good hands because our Dubai staff has been taking care of him, and although he doesn't speak Chinese, and our staff is in Dubai is really helpful and helping him sorting out the hotels and etc. The arrangements, the hotels, the immigrations, the airlines, the insurance. I'm so thankful about that. And Leo, we take care of our family members, and we heard about that, and we tried our best to help them from a long distance to solve to make things better. So congratulations to him, and we hope his mother will get well very soon. So next we have the top direct sales award that you saw him earlier in the webinar, and he did more than 50,000 personal sales in Pakistan last year. So it was very honored to meet him because I met him in Bangkok, in Greece, in Malaysia, in Europe. It was such an amazing person, and he always been very happy, and he always helped his team members and always send a message to his team members, and he really cares about the company and the members. Next, we have the Hassan Salil Mabufshah Outstanding Achievement Award that was honored and delegation for Learcut from UAE. Because we all know Mabufshah is a very honorable person, and he has been loyalty, and he dedicated his life to Leo, and he's very responsible, and we respect him a lot, and that's why we are giving we are recognizing Lee Card as the same type of person, and because he will do everything that he can to help the members to be successful in life, and he will try as hard as they could to fight for their country and for their members and for the downlines. So congratulations, Liakat. So we have the Founders Award for Filipinos, Rach David from Philippines, and it was such an amazing night, and we really appreciate and we understand how difficult the Rach have to deal with different problems from her market and issues, but she always have a very positive attitude and always have a smile on her face, and she just delegate everything for Leo, and she also is a very helpful person to help the people beside her to be successful. That is her dream, and that is her mission, and that is she's well deserved our Founders Award. So let us go back to our products. We have the digital market service. So if you purchase within May, and your contract will start in August, and the first award that you will first reward you will receive is in the end of August. So you can either choose Bitcoins or Ethereum. It depends on the market price or depend on your research. Whichever you want, then you can just choose which one. This is a great product, and we make sure our technology is up to the latest and the newest mining rigs to mine the latest, the most profitable alternative coins. So make sure you get your products. Tell your friends, tell your family, because it is a great product. Just don't miss out. And after Mauritius, Dan and Andy are going to Ivory Coast to continue our Africa Momentum Tour. So they will be in the Ivory Coast on the 26th, and on the 27th, they will be in Cameroon. So if you want to look at the video, watch the videos, just go to Leo TV and email us if you want to go to the event. And of course, before Morocco, we are executive trip. We have the UK Leader Summit. I'm sure you all have purchased the ticket and qualified for the ticket. So get ready for the UK. And next time, and the next trip will be our executive trip in October. So you have to reach associate by the June 30th to join the October executive trip. It's so amazing. You can see how many people in our websites have left the testimonials, and it's really it's a very great training, and it's a life experience. So you must be there. So call to action. So before I get back to the party, let me tell you about the update. So buy a 1 month gold fellow pack to qualify for the gold compensation plan and get trained and licensed to market to the autosave product. That's very important. You need to have a gold value pack to be able to receive the gold compensation plan bonuses. Without it, we don't get a penny. So it's really important you get that done, get it sorted, get trained and licensed. And then the next thing is purchase your DMS from your back office. So just buy within May and you'll get your first reward in August. So when you use a combination of a 1 month gold pack and a DMS, it is a very powerful package to help you to qualify 2019 GAC. So from May 1st to October 31st, help a new joined member become associate. Then you will qualify for a ticket. So for the people who came to Mauritius, who achieved Mauritius and checked in with us, they got a golden ticket that you saw in the beginning of the call. They can use it from the May 1st to the end of July. So they can use the 5,000 RP for the one of the direct sponsored member. Next, you have to qualify the Morocco executive trip. So if you have so you have downlines and you have new people and you have the news members joining and it is a great training and you must be there. And you can achieve it before the June 30th. So you still have time to qualify for it. So there's a few things going on that you must not miss. So also for the momentum events in Africa, purchase the ticket and send your friends and family to Leo and join our big family because we are an amazing company and good people are doing good business. So have a nice week. Enjoy, and I'm going back to the party. And thank you all. Do not miss 2019 Global Annual Conference. You must be here. Goodbye.